Here's how to deactivate your Instagram account temporarily. It's very easy to do, so make sure you watch the entire video and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to sign into your Instagram account. After signing into your account, click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Here, click on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. Click on Settings and Privacy. Now, click on Account Center option. Here, you will be able to view this menu. Now, from here, click on the Personal Details option. Then, click on the Account Deactivation or Deletion option. Tap on Deactivation or Deletion option here. Now, select your account. After that, click on the Deactivate Account option and hit on Continue. Here, enter your password and hit on Continue. After that, your Instagram account will be temporarily deactivated. So, that's how to deactivate your Instagram account temporarily.